I'm going to show you guys how you burp. Yeah. So of course, when you're picking her up again, you have to go from her neck. Put your hand right behind her neck. Give one on her butt. And lift. Slide. Go there. And go back. Now if you want to get her on your shoulder, because it's pretty much the way you're supposed to do it. Do like this. And you lift up her head. Slowly. Or like that. That's kind of weird, but her face is like this, so I just want to get her head like that. And then when you're burping her, or him, you want to put your hand like this, rest it somewhere on the body, and then tap it where it's between her shoulder blades would be, so that'd be about right here. I think she has like a little thing right there, so that's her nose. I'm not sure, I can't really see. There's a pat, like that. Like you with a real baby. Softly, not like, so I think that might make her cry. I don't know. I wouldn't try it though. Raise body really lightly. Make him switch shoulders. Make that pattern. Another thing with my hands got tired, I go like this, and I do a little beat. Listen to some music and I do a little beat. Don't go too hard. It's really soft. You can also keep your hand there. Just use your fingers. And then before she burps, she'll make a, and then she'll do a little baby burp. It's really cute. That's what I thought. I don't even like burps. That's it.